Shell de Pune. En Abdul Basit,
Naam.
Karabeula.
This one now you can.
Ka yung mga sabi wala.
Alhamdulillah.
Yung po yung mala tweet man. Nari chang la feeling mabo. Maya ako lang ma film. Asya nang ma.
Ay, mami, lang ko ba. Ako tulong asya ala yisipir kyan.
Anye bi.
Inshallah.
Labrata. But I'm very sure that upon okay, I settle even yelenga.
Yeah, I'm okay.
There isn't any trauma, anything that disturbs your mind.
No, this time, like no describe my sham like I'm now a free man.
Okay, all right, okay.
Yeah.
I think from that way, smart when you come and there's a big relief in you. And just quick one. T started from the beginning, Martin. The beginning, Canada issues that I might not want us to go into in details because genital step on people that were already offended.
Okay.
So to interview my parents solely to be a bit guided. Katiza hamine tebele hanku sosuliya. Then I couldn't come in bagbaga. Dabsa den karadano, sahaden karadano.
Dranong la asabar the Saturday.
Okay.
Between the hours of after last Saturday.
Okay.
Come out 4 to 5 pull on that.
Saturday min Daniel.
Saturday in Daniel.
Was it a yanga atumashi be ya pull Daniel?
Daniel Ntumashi.
Okay. Dagman radio be
No, Kuchi Films.
Kuchi Films. Okay.
Sure.
But police in that kind of
Yeah. Police means CID in that
okay.
Kind of
But arapunye a notification that police invite our police station.
No, I never have any notification.
But I not could be in a CID invitation shall not kind of police station. But ara woman never bought rashi.
Woman yama bita invitation be yala.
Okay.
Won come yala ka the pa CID ka pa police be kotu. Manzam ye dish even da ko ba like decision might take up time that ko. That ka any pre-information because ye to anam da be an bet it wasn't legal.
Okay.
Like drapa any approved source drapa nyala nguma just kama ye to amana no ashaba ben yarsham maybe amabirgo ben wumsham nyanzu design anya romo but ndaka any official notification about arrest be kama bendaka kama katia ni arrest warrant it was yes drako come not invite
so bendaka I mean what was their first word bendaka nya wula kabra yale
mame yongo yala ne beshama benda kunya ma de ngala west da karana ba because they came with an informer so like police here to bani here you have to remain silent or anything you say so banko kana minima bisonda jia benda ko piana ba ngun kabra na ba ka informer no kan ne ngombo ha.
Okay.
So there was nothing like maybe we chance of bow and hanko for and no more. Drakunya te chama. So can go park on phone so ka chance te road at 10.
Okay, they came with one car, two cars. Ula police pam da pier ne.
Wa gono something ba.
La? Uy, brago marafano.
Nice.
Really? Aramiki an attempt to resist the arrest?
No.
Aramiki an attempt. Bra I mean, Nahma be I mean, mishandled you in a way?
No, like Babu Masahala and that kind.
Okay.
But as usually Ghana police arrest me. That time my friend won't but my will. And any wedding in US and can I say let
yeah.
That was the only thing Kenya.
Okay.
I big bag up palace or Daniel like that is the nature of the police in the year. My friend mean hey man.
Very well. So because in the Najinumbu Hanyanya and that Tumtale Shelley, because I'm very sure that Babungoni Bayala Atale.
Yeah.
Okay. So in the upper police station Kabayala being Niman Kabra Yala, I mean you've been accused of this and whatever you say or do.
Tunda question Lord man children.
Okay.
See I mara feel my feel it.
Okay.
I made and check out the bag. I can say yes.
Okay.
No. Okay. Aba feel my feel it. So I didn't that
means technical break shell so then check out the man for hama so that means luru ma puna ka ban pa start yara
ka ko start ma
so ula ka bra yana na tale nyala dene
publication of false news.
Okay.
And inciting the public against complainant ma.
Okay.
Which ka the teacher through inciting ma ka teacher ka bachante and put damages to oyinga ne or family mean any other thing ton kunya kar mandra pa bambo ulaka obono complainant ma.
Okay.
No.
So then kabrako explain me that.
Brako,
Okay, very well. Tunyara technical breaks anta de wa sa mi so po hangerme.
Okay.
Labo wai. Atanu kujema tanu mi wa sa na kuya. All right. Anyway, we are still on because power ma de na ko bian katan da. Before one bo nyara sa. Okay. So from that moment ma, how are you feeling like from that very moment that no pumpong this is the case against me and it's now the state?
How I was feeling.
How pumpong pa yala tali so pumpong wula kan feelera.
So double come you feel bad about it.
Okay.
You feel bad about it, then you start to regret about maybe you to ashaban accuser of ma maybe having your attention agba may you ko be t-shirt no to withdraw we didn't talk ba solve.
Yeah.
I ended.
Okay.
Ni man and even have is an achangba mata man bian you even feel kama maybe ten na ko cheno.
Okay.
Tipa ye to anato ya anto ko explain ka ja
Okay.
until ka pani cartesia like maybe ni le accuse person. Ni lang ni to akoto lan ya hala bo ani kama nirba to mi masho. No brag ba kama biso ai na rinye basi na bicho no OSV ka ya ne chan ma ni yeto abran tum de tuma.
Okay.
Hala bo ani mi yeto anyan yon za shaben yenza ne. Yelka ayina. So that was my regret. And that you know I don't know man su yelma but I don't know how fast be banyan yelle to mama be strength ni ambition and then yon work it to myself. And me to zo yala ga ni to be la man ma. But when ka to sura so pem but you don't tend to believe anyone's yet I couldn't believe in maybe yin and do when you want to yeah have but then you have no chance to.
Okay. Now and then pumpong that means bumpa yela ampa tum shelma atali shela ampa nang ma the rakasta mind back as to den da nang shepulu den da nang shema wulanda samson nang because la case ma de jimene come be yela no force publication na ra yela you to shel dem pa yela man and then before come nang baga ma already wula ka da pun handle la issue ma
manage on da yara yeto ashele issue man empile man kayun den empile kama attention kayun o man biela yendi katmar movie so dinye na mishambe nso heter man believe like in yellow da na to tale mama da believe me ye ngwa mara pa ya karale issue na chang film man's feelings because I was feeling like ira da be around asat ben shi akam nyame so yeli to alongo mami the main tension ma da cause me through social media not personally kama complainant ngon kunyele as if like banon ko started there are some tension on social media ka ma bi share one or two people start raise the alarm and you know me program it ko empile hatin nan bongo ato ko pile program ka college be so ko pile ga yele to ashele then ka so kam yar ta so ngonda ko share la 3 or 4 people banda ko share le TikTok mala problem and ka yar na yar shama da bacho so then kara da pile then mami mambe yenji so here da biane maybe nda my different videos kama video sharing trend halka arrest motin no after la video ma the pala kaman die to ada isema kan love station de pala sonda call ma varsma non la video ma Sunday and video ma nda non la around 11 midnight to 12 nda bela so non la na until ne bi au Monday Tuesday kam mama chang site ma so mi program anya Monday yen kam na ka second one kana Sunday eto after Sunday yen kam na ka second one kana Monday so re no one day interval en version so ne report la den man na man na ban ye so bin ba kar man da varsar ma bet ma mama na chansin ma kan lan lam na program man da ba di complainant wa mana.
Okay.
I stood on the same seat kalan started analyzer the videos yab male nene to te nda ko tia ye din to nan kar nan ala shi se kaya ne sun wani yare to ashe wata ya kace ala har da la ya shi tra chango halin da yale halata pai the main aspect of it then da bi nirba pam kaman I will second view anya kat yarba kan ta buhai membambe ma biya alhamdulillah ce baro da yatene nirba ngo kaban yabo kat ya karsa ne shi.
Okay.
So tenenda pun dissolve nbenwo.
Okay.
But unfortunately, young post ni en changsham.
Okay.
So come no interest.
Okay.
La so called colleagues by your TikTok guys man.
Okay.
Like ban man sana. I apology and I ban man problem.
Okay.
Because like I reporter issue kama mama on radio lisha. I reported first, second kalam nante withdraw west man.
A first report madam is ara source la information
from like
then ara visit
and our visit high car kunya that time magba I will video ma full like yetu ama in yar manso be never no mai so yul karane mama man ra yar yetu an time she ma ra nyam ya like nda ba mi kama g face ka be ya no wala but nda mi le kama ya be ne la nirma ne radio presenter.
Okay.
Na kanon so the eyes these all la karda no and then that be TikTok ma majority of TikTokers be ban yunde gafara ka bridge video eto.
Okay.
So I me video eto anto I go video ma anye kaman be yihe vum shanga denne.
Okay.
Kama maybe la vum manam di biri chele nangba gradi be ntula bet anye TikTok videos anto nya ka so dir fila kar ko parta kanya TikTok fun so kan buaron no kill time frame ma we ngang hala ben sha kache yeto ashe din spice up nto muna kama kara tula likes member because first person won le kanda contact so ha nguma da ya like nika den da nyo ni like mun bara ngahalam ne den tulla ma karangane den to attention so karte de tebe chantam boara sham kache actually manda no video shaka yemman be video man yarman but things yango the phone nangar deeper sanda because den da no so ma I don't know woman so ndira njene yar karman I'm trying to prove my innocence over bet like as den da chile nka jealous shares ante nra yar so eto ama mbe mi o be kama mbe mi ben shao karshia kama wa mbe mi o eto aka yar be nku buar man renyela yele to ashia de mi nya ka believe be ka believe you know after ne yele na agba kama ka yina because I will program ma den da chena manda ku yar afaso ka be no ngongo so call and da woman when you hala video
ara alaikum mi
so kasotia ya kama bisa to ko we an yar ma agba amyo mun ka wo no wala ko rama yila wo kan like kan la ni rama ka fwa kan that time bum post shanga zaka the no that time I'm from yele I was just like nin salnguna
by then apart from oyeto anwo ara na banya the person in picture video shanga na ara banya video shanga grido picture
nda ba mi o ba like nda ko gum kama like ma mi yon nda na banya bum ka phone qualify service dranye romo so cartisia ya kyan ko non le short dm tile ba call mama phone ya dokuna yanga kambo haula nang da me ka paile
that means a phone
number ayo ka ban ya bara fana ma kan ngongo so like that time ka social media appeal do with report ngongo bela da bargia biya no nyola fa so yanga kan ngongo so ni sala ma bisora ya ha ma ngba yere da mire yan mangle I wouldn't have say nra ya shamma so I'm admitting that Vepango.
That's my interest.
Then man that like drabo tun feelings my into my own hands. But nda ko kama yon to aka Canada year so kan. Nda ko kama as be ka ngote namba. As so like it provokes me some
okay.
way. Ka alami ma hear it anon la sometimes.
Yeah.
So me program my line bala.
Okay.
Like info in yara karan Daniela issue ma zo kan yara la.
Okay.
Program like the concept this style bala.
Okay.
Attack issue. So then nang la ma. So assumption ma di share no.
Okay.
Aba so on point yeah na character no. The palamala any bad feelings against so.
So that means even after that incident, man, no. I mean, when you visited the start and you go back, la moment, man, no, the man la rapun mala you team.
No point yes, ya magba. Can you the next mine la Sunday? Maybe out Monday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. After Monday, Tuesday ka second one. Tuesday can land
okay.
Kakula started. Dalan try year to ate.
Okay.
So I withdraw a lot of banka. New year didn't check and year or the pala that time ma.
Okay.
TikTok that time la pressure and yes over here.
Okay.
So I call my mom over here. Drana be nyela ben. Drana high but that time they say na withdraw your ma. Complainant ngorana bela bene. So how my mama withdraw was one that withdraw like in a way that Tazana be non sure.
Okay.
They take your loss into your own hands.
Okay.
In non shama my problem. In no abane sha bun kam da chang ne to ka nda user we sha ka like kan bon ne like in program my way mbala mbe mini ne ji face nda yar ne ba ya chang ne to no ta ya so gon yale even ban chang to no ma yam ni kum do ni song bi ma la ba ibe song ba. So I said a whole lot of things we draw it back na ngo because to be frank set ma da to na chang Tuesday asba.
Okay.
La fle ma be yendi ma. So man program guide the lab years o kama be chang. Kan non program ma yung early morning kama na isi in chang yen. So yendi kam pil ka can be capture the hint to about that. First video male problem.
Okay. So Arana Yartama as to, I mean, maybe the narrative as to Anwom Leshama was part of our actions, our first actions.
Yeah.
Abia Tampuna Kapto Kola.
Yeah, hide and there but now on the because Nyukura and DJ